this is Hila the Lego, and this is the showcase and tutorial for my tutorial or instructions or whatever you want to call it for my Lego melee weapon. Just hold it like this. I just took a break for making shooting weapons. So you can hit with this. The spikes is related 6 spikes. So not so much details. Got the handle here, got the spikes over here. So let's get started with the instructions. Okay, first you gotta take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You gotta take 8 of these kind of pieces, stick them together. Take this 12 rod, whatever that means, and you stick that right into it like this. Then you take 2 of these kind of pieces, you stick them on the sides like that. Then you take 2 of these 7 rods, stick them right there. And then you take 2 more of these kind of pieces, you stick them on the 7 rods like this, just like that. Then you take, just a second, okay, you take 4 of these 3 rods, you take 2 of this kind of pieces, you stick it right in there, and right like that you make 2 of this, stick them right there on both sides like that. And then you take this kind of piece, 2 of them, take a 3 rod, stick them right on it, and you stick them right like that. And then you take 2 of these, you take the 2 rods, you can right there, and you stick that right through there, take your other one, stick it right there. So there you have it, my melee weapon. So rate, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.